Hello, welcome to Edubbey Dynamic Solution. Today, I will be teaching you the uses of input devices. Input devices are hardware used to enter instructions and data into a computer. There are advantages and disadvantages to each input device. Knowing these will help the user to select the correct device for each task. Now, let's discuss input devices and their uses. Number 1, Keyboard. A keyboard is used to insert letters, numbers, symbols, punctuation marks, and spaces. Number 2, Numeric keypad. It is used to enter numeric data and mathematical symbols. Number 3, Pointing devices. Pointing devices are used to control the on-screen cursor, clicking to select, and scrolling to move up and down the screen. For example, mouse, tracker ball, touchpad. Number 4, Remote control. It is used to control smart TVs, DVD players or recorders, projectors, satellite receivers, music systems, and gaming consoles. Number 5, Joystick or driving wheel. Joystick is used to play driving or flight simulation games, etc. Number 6, Touchscreen. The uses of a touchscreen include: A. It is used to select items, icons, or areas of a screen using fingers. B. You can also resize an image, zoom in or out, or scroll. C. It is mostly used on phones, tablets, hotel/airport self-check-in, and information points. Number 7, Scanner. A scanner is used to convert paper photographs or documents into digital format. Number 8, Camera. It is used to take pictures or videos in digital format, so they can be added to documents or presentations, edited, and transferred electronically. Number 9, Microphone. The microphone can be used for the following. A. It is used to convert sound to digital signals to be played, recorded, and transferred by the computer. B. It can also be used to add narration to presentations and videos. C. It can also be used for phone calls and video conferencing by using VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol. Number 10, Sensors. Sensors are used in control systems, example, temperature sensors, pressure sensors, humidity sensors, and motion sensors. They also take readings and send signals to the processor continuously. The benefits of using sensors are as follows. 1. The reading is more accurate than using human. 2. The reading can be continuous as it can work 24/7 without a break. 3. It can generate reports instantly. 4. It can be cheaper in the long run. 5. It can work in dangerous places and condition. While the drawbacks are: 1. The initial cost might be expensive. 2. It is expensive to set up, repair and maintain. 3. If it malfunctions, the reading might not be accurate. Number 11, Light pen. A light pen is used for pointing to displayed objects or drawing on the screen. Now that we've covered the essential concepts in this chapter, I'll present a few past year questions related to the topic. Feel free to write down these questions and answer them accordingly. If needed, you can pause the video. If you've grasped the material well, you should be able to answer the following question. We also provide online tuition in case you need one. Question 1. Data is collected by different sensors and then input into the computer model to be processed. Identify 2 sensors that could be used for weather data. Question 2. Some computers have touch screens. Describe 3 benefits of using a touch screen. Question 3. Martin, who is a teacher, is creating a multimedia presentation to explain the topic to his students. Martin wants to record a message for his voice to make sure the sound is of good quality. Name 2 devices that he will need. Question 4. A tablet computer consists of both hardware and software. One input device used on a tablet computer is a touch screen. Name 2 other input devices built into the tablet computer. Question 5. This diagram shows a smartphone. Name of 3 input devices found on a smartphone.